never heard of Redstone, but it looks like it's going to be a nice place. I'm pretty sure it'll be a lot like Strickland's or Stripling. I don't know. I can't ever figure out which one that is over there. I'm sure they're going to have, or I'm pretty sure they're going to have hot lunches, hot food, probably breakfast, lunch. I don't know about, probably not dinner, but maybe. They're going to have gas. And like I say, down here at the basement, I don't know what, that's probably just going to be warehouse, I guess, but they're going to have storage down there. It's going to be a nice market. It'd be interesting to see, when it opens, see what all they've got. It may not be a bad place to get a part-time job. While I'm over here at Frank's on the weekends, it'd be a perfect place to work part-time. Okay, let's turn it off. We're going to stop and look at a Bronco down here for sale. I've never been that crazy about the Broncos, but we'll look at it and see. I think they want too much. It's been sitting down here about a month. Let's turn it off till we get down there. Okay, coming up on that Bronco here on the right. And like I say, we are between Athens and Jefferson. Jefferson's behind us. Athens is in front of us. Let's see what they want for this thing. I had a lot of K5 Blazers I wish I'd kept. I really like the K5 Blazers. I've never particularly liked these Broncos. Let's see, what did it say, 8,000? Let's get out and take a closer look at it. Well, the driver's side door and fender are messed up. It says rebuilt transmission, runs great. It's a 91. They want $6,500 for it. I'm not interested. I don't know that I'd be interested at $2,000. But certainly not $6,500, even negotiable. Okay, well, let's turn it off till we find something else. This will be some short segments of hodgepodge. Coming up on US 78, Georgia 10, Atlanta Highway, Monroe to the right, Athens to the left. They're redoing a lot of these, I guess, ramps, on and off ramps. This Athens loop is a death trap. People drive like crazy, and the exits were, I guess this thing was built 40 years ago. They were not designed for the traffic that is on this road anymore. Getting on and getting off, or getting off isn't that much trouble, but getting on and being on and letting people get on is just a mess. We're going to go let you see a little bit more of Oconee County development over here, but then we're going to go in Watkinsville. I don't know if it's true or not, but I've heard that the old Burger King there is going to convert to a varsity. Burger King couldn't make it every time it opened. It was terrible. We're going to check that out. But that intersection right there, that whole little area right there is already terribly congested. My personal opinion is it's a very bad decision on Varsity's part to go in there. But that's just my personal opinion. We'll get off up here at the Oconee Connector and just let you see some new development up here, and then head on to Watkinsville. We're hungry. We're going to go to the Golden Pantry. We're going to get a gravy biscuit and a side order of bacon. Okay, we've gotten off at the Oconee Connector. I don't know what all this is going to be over here. I don't even know if they do yet or not, or whether they're just going to be building parcels, or whether it's already, designed or figured out what it's going to be. There's a lot of medical in Athens now. Athens is becoming a major medical hub for the northeast Georgia area. Piedmont bought Athens Regional. St. Mary's. We've got a lot of cancer, heart, all kind of skin, all kind of stuff here. This area has sat vacant for years and years and years. There was one lone oak tree out there to the left, but it had no way it was going to survive. We've run off and left the GoPro Black 10 back at the shop, so we will be using the Osmo 3 when we're using the action camera. This is the S22. We'll be wrapping this up before long. I just wanted y'all to see this. I don't know what all this is going to be. I don't see any signs, so I don't know. I don't have any idea. There's a turn cul-de-sac right there. Over here, they're getting ready for all of that. Okay, let's turn this off, get to Watkinsville, and show you the Burger King where the McDonald's, where the varsity is reported. That's what I've heard, at least, is going in, and then we'll wrap this one up. Okay, topping the hill, coming down to Georgia Highway 53, the junction. This is Butler's Crossing. You got Publix and all kind of stuff right here. This place is already a disaster. And turning right, we'll go up here. And I don't know if this is correct or not. I was just seeing, and somebody said that this old Burger King was going to convert to a varsity. When I say rush hour, and during the day, this whole intersection is a mess. Getting in and out of this area, or if it is going to be a varsity, is a mess. You've got schools, traffic, you've got all kind of stuff here. So you can't even turn in right there. You have to turn in to the bank, turn around. I don't see how this can possibly be a good idea for a varsity, but that's none of my business. Well, you can connect over here, but I don't know. We'll just have to see what turns out. It may or may not be true what I heard, so we'll see. And Georgia Highway 53 ends here in Watkinsville, over on US 441 129, and goes in an arc across North Georgia, all the way over, across through Rome, and over into Alabama. Okay, we're going down here to the pantry. If it's not too crowded, we're going to get a gravy biscuit and a side order of bacon, and this will be it. We'll wrap this up, we'll eat and upload this, and find something else to check out.